everybody, it's typhlosion505. Listen to the pretty music. Anyway, so, yep, turns out my sister has a webcam. She's had it for a while now. I was too stupid to know that. So, yeah, forget about what I said in the last video. Well, apparently, I will do... There's a mouse in my face. Get the mouse out of my face. Thank you. Sorry. Okay. Now, what are you doing? Okay. Anyway, so this is my sister and I, the one with the webcam. And yeah, so I will be doing all these as you all know, but they won't be uploaded till January, probably. Or maybe sooner.
I picked out the music.
Okay. So, and yes, I'm wearing a soccer jersey and a mohawk. So yeah, it's typhlosion505 people. It's LPs, yeah, that's what it is. Now I was wondering which LP would you guys like me to do first?
Give them a reward.
I would either do Black and White, I would do Minecraft, or I would probably do a pretty game.
I vote Black and White. Whatever that is.
Pokemon.
Oh, I don't vote that. I don't vote that.
So, Minecraft, Pokemon Black and White, or Kirby Scoop.
Any other options? Like purple?
You guys just come up and with...
Spider!
You guys come up with... You guys...
Get
stupid
it?
mouse!
And some...
Okay, so you guys can come up with games in the comment section. I'll tell you if I even have them or not. So do LPs, random IRL videos, and updates and stuff. That's just me. Okay, so basically, yeah, and apparently a guy said that I forgot to shout out his name in the first video, which I said I would, which I clearly did, if you guys can remember. Poop the Magic Man 123.
Oh, I don't care about that name.
Not much else to say, so there's an update. See ya.